Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll go over my personal PS5 impressions. Let's get to it. Also, at the end of the video, I'll reveal my next plan for the PS5. Stay back and enjoy. Okay, I unboxed my PS5 last week. If you have not watched that video, I'll include it in the description down below. I got lucky, and when luck strikes, you take the opportunity. I bought my PS5 from PS5 Direct. The experience buying the PS5 online was an awesome experience because this next-gen console is still out of stock everywhere, with drops gradually getting better. So let's talk about initial impressions. Let's cut to the chase. I love my PS5. I love this darn thing. And here are 5 things I love about my next-gen console. 1. It is fast. Loading times for games are quick and painless. Number 2, the graphics on my 1080p Sony HD TV are unreal. Imagine this capability on a dedicated 4K gaming monitor or screen. It's gonna be mind-blowing. 3, it is cheaper than building a gaming PC, only if you are set on having a console as a gaming platform. 4, nostalgic experience brings back memories from when I used to play PlayStation games many years ago. And 5, the PS5 controller is awesome. The ergonomics and DualSense haptic technology are incredibly implemented on this hardware. These are just my 5 things and my initial impressions about my PS5. I'm sure there are others I'll find along the way. Lastly, with this next-gen console, 4K gaming monitor is a must. So I'm thinking of getting a 4K gaming monitor in the near future to take advantage of the 4K capability and unreal refresh rates. In the meantime, I'll enjoy my PS5 on my 1080p Sony HD TV. So with that, let me know what you guys think about your PS5, your experience with Sony, PlayStation 5. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one.